Hello, we are here today with a mindful moment from our Yoga for Classrooms activity cards and also from our mini Yoga for Classrooms activity cards. And this is called Lightbulb Brain. This is one of our imagination vacations, which means that you don't have to do anything except listen along. So find yourself in a comfortable position. You can go to your desk rest where you rest your head on your arms as your arms rest on your desk, or you can join me in your seated mountain with your feet on the floor in front of you, feeling that groundedness as you push into the floor, feeling the seat beneath you, rolling your shoulders back, strong core, strong back, head reaching towards the sky. Whichever position's most comfortable for you is great. And now join me for Lightbulb Brain. Just listen along as I read the words aloud. Begin to bring your awareness to your breath. Notice your air going in through your nose, out through your mouth. Take a couple deep breaths, just noticing your breath more than you usually do. Now imagine your brain is like a light bulb. Your light bulb brain is very hard at work all day, every day. It shines very brightly, filled with energy, thoughts, ideas, and creativity. Sometimes it gets very, very tired. Can you think of an occasion when your light bulb brain got tired? Maybe it gets tired when you've been reading for a long time, or writing a lot, or maybe concentrating really hard on something. Notice now that your light bulb brain has a dimmer switch, just like we see sometimes on a light. Ever so gently turn the dimmer switch down so that the light from the bulb begins to dim. Feel your light bulb brain begin to relax and settle down. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, see yourself turning the dimmer down even more until your light bulb brain is barely shining at all. Maybe you can feel your head begin to relax. Your thoughts slow down, your ideas go to rest. Breathe in deeply now. And on the exhale, turn your dimmer all the way to off. The light is turned off, and your light bulb brain is now completely at rest. Take a moment to let your light bulb brain recharge and restore itself. You may continue resting your light bulb brain if you'd like. Just pause this video and rest your brain for as long as you'd like. When you're ready, slowly begin to turn your light bulb brain back on. Remember, you can adjust the dimmer so that the light just becomes a little brighter with each inhale until you have the light and the energy filling your brain and body once again. Remember, you can use your dimmer switch on your light bulb brain anytime your brain needs a rest. Our brain works hard for us all day, every day, and giving it that rest is so needed. Take another inhale. Exhaling, getting that dimmer right to the right spot. And when you're ready, take one more long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. If you're in desk rest, begin to slowly, very, very slowly sit up, breathing in through your nose once more and out deeply once again. If your eyes were closed, begin to flutter them open and notice how you feel. If you can think of times when your light bulb brain becomes really drained and really tired, remember next time you're feeling that way to try out light bulb brain. Just try that dimmer switch to bring it down a notch, even just for a couple of minutes as you give your brain that rest that you need. You might also think through what other things help recharge your light bulb brain. Maybe for you, going on a walk or listening to music or petting your dog helps recharge that light bulb brain. Whatever it is for you, make sure you take time to do that. Like we said, our brain works so hard for us, so giving it that moment to recharge is so necessary. Thank you for joining me for this mindful moment, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.